Sometimes, when flying a new area for a drone mission, we are not provided with a KML of the boundary of the project area. Even if it is provided, we may need to alter the boundary so that the flight covers all control points and areas of interest. This video will demonstrate exporting a KML from OpenRoads and editing that KML in Trimble Business Center to create an appropriate boundary for a drone mission. First, open the DGN that contains the shape of the boundary. Select the boundary, then click File, Export. Choose Visualization, then KML, and save the KML to your project directory. Open a new TBC project and bring in the KML you just created or the one that has been provided to you by dragging and dropping. Typically, for missions around construction sites, the control points are placed along the edges of the project. For this reason, I like to make the boundary bigger to ensure that there are plenty of photos that contain each control point. To do this, select the CAD ribbon, then in the Edit section, click Offset. Click inside the Line to Offset box, then select your KML on the screen. Choose an appropriate distance and click Apply. You can now delete the original boundary. It can also be beneficial to get rid of some of the rough edges around the boundary, which makes for a better flight grid. To do this, select the shape. Go to the CAD ribbon and choose Break. Select the area of the line that you want to remove and click Break. You can now delete the unwanted part of the line. Use the square grips to adjust the line and make it a closed shape. At this point, the lines are still considered separate and will need to be joined to create a true polygon. To do this, in the CAD tab, select Join. Select the two lines and click Join. Export the new boundary by selecting it, then click Export in the Home tab. Name it appropriately and save it to your project directory. The edited KML file of the flight boundary is now ready to be imported into your DJI controller.